Europe is boiling at the moment, and it's quite warm here in Norway as well. So a hike during the day is not really recommended, I'd say. So here I am on an evening hike, enjoying the warm air, the fresh air, and the sun. Here, where I stand right now, it's a little bit of wind, but I know that in the woods here there is little to no wind, and that means mosquitoes. Probably lots of them. So I'm spraying this repellent on my chins, my arms, also my shorts, my hair, neck. Maybe it will keep them away. Maybe they will also keep the ticks away. The ticks and mosquitoes, those are some nasty bastards. We don't want them. Off we go. I had almost forgot that it's blueberries here. Of course, there are blueberries in the woods, but that they are good enough to eat now. What a treat! Some sweet, wild blueberries. Wow. Candy of nature. Definitely. Sweet and very good for you. Delicious. Tiny treats directly from Mother Nature herself. By the time I get to the top, the sun will have set behind this mountaintop, and I will not have direct sunlight. But honestly, I don't mind. Direct sunlight now is very hot. It's very hot indeed, and it's been a little windy today, which is great. Windy and no direct sunlight. It's perfect in this heat. The sweat is pouring. It's dripping in my eyebrows. And I'm breathing like a bull. Whew. This was way harder than I expected it to be. It's been some weeks since I last hiked. But this, even though I'm breathing like a bull and sweating, it's so refreshing, so freeing being out here once again. I've said it before, and I don't think I will ever stop saying it. This is probably the best therapy I can have. This exact route I've hiked a couple of times before. But right now it feels so much longer than before. So it's a clear sign I need to exercise more. More hours and miles on the spinning bike, and even more kilometers out in the woods, chasing viewpoints and lakes and so on. I'm very close to the destination now. And if I'd been 30 minutes earlier, I would have had scorching sun in my back on the top here. Luckily, I'm in the shadow. The only reason I sit this far out on the edge is because of the flies. The flies, they don't care about my repellent. Not at all. The mosquitoes, they care. But the flies, nah, they don't. And that means those annoying flies are buzzing around in your face. But flies, they ain't no fan of winds. And out here it's a little bit windy, so there we go. I guess that's it for this time. Definitely not the last time I'm visiting this fantastic view.